For me, this trip has been in the making for about 20 years and it has happened today.
So this time we have added Srinagar and Jammu. I'm very excited for that.
The Shikara ride in the setting sun, it was just magical.
And we have witnessed such a beautiful and marvelous place.
Kargil War Memorial was a very touching experience, very emotional.
Bharat Mata Ki Jai!
This is my third visit here and this continues to amaze me every time.
And as soon as we touched Pangong Lake, I felt that lake will never end.
"12 mountain passes, to be honest, I never thought we could do so many.
Umlingla has been one of my dream destinations.
Being at Umlingla is a great feeling.
You know, we were all happy, we were all rejoicing that moment.